If you want to delete your ChatGPT account, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, sign in to your ChatGPT account on a desktop browser. Click your profile icon in the top corner and open Settings from the menu. In Settings, select Data Controls or My Account to locate account deletion options. Before you delete, download your conversations and export any important data as a backup. When you're ready, scroll to Delete Account and click Start Deletion to begin. You may be asked to re-enter your password to confirm your identity. Carefully read the warnings listing what will be permanently deleted from your account. Type your account name or check the confirmation box, then press the Delete button to proceed. You'll see a processing screen confirming the deletion request is in progress. If a recovery period exists, you can follow the email instructions to cancel before final removal. That's it. Back up your data first, delete when ready, and visit help.openai.com for details. Subscribe for more quick guides.